Most people struggle with lice for way too long. I'm talking about weeks, months, or even years of struggling with lice, which is crazy because they could have gotten rid of lice in less than a day. The main reason why most people get stuck with lice for so long is because they believe that using an over-the-counter lice treatment is going to help them with their lice problem. When actually, when you use an over-the-counter lice treatment, you really get stuck in the never-ending lice cycle. You see, lice today have grown immune to lice treatments that worked in the past. Today, if you use a lice treatment, it's only going to kill the weakest lice on the head and is going to leave all of the strongest lice to survive and breed together and create an even stronger breed of lice. People assume if they just keep retreating with different lice products, that will eventually take care of the problem. Except for what really happens is each time you retreat, all you do is kill the weakest lice and you leave the strongest lice to survive, which creates a stronger and stronger breed of lice every time you retreat. The other problem is that these lice treatments don't kill lice eggs, and lice eggs are growing stronger and stronger. So any lice egg that you leave in your child's hair is going to hatch and just reinfest your child again and again. And this is what I see every day in my lice center. Parents that have struggled with lice for months or years and spent hundreds of dollars on lice products and nothing works. But I do a professional lice treatment on them and they're cured of lice in just a couple of hours. And there's no reason why you can't do a professional lice treatment on your child at home. And that's what I teach in Get Rid of Lice Like a Pro. You watch the steps on your mobile device, you follow along on your child, and by the end of the videos, your child is completely free of lice. I do not want you to struggle with lice for months or years like I see so many parents. Get rid of lice like a pro, and I will teach you how to do a professional lice treatment on your child. And I will be your personal lice coach to coach you through every step of the way so that you can get rid of lice in one day and get rid of lice like a pro. I'll see you there.